How do you prevent hitting overhead power lines in construction? Imagine a construction site where heavy cranes and tall equipment are moving around. One wrong move could bring serious electrical hazards. Staying safe around overhead power lines is essential. First, always do a thorough site inspection before starting work. Look for all overhead power lines and mark their locations clearly. Knowing where they are helps plan safe routes for equipment and workers. It's best to have a detailed map of all lines on the site. Next, keep a safe distance from power lines. For lines carrying 50,000 volts or less, stay at least 10 feet away. For higher voltages, add 4 inches of clearance for every 10,000 volts above 50,000 volts. This means if you're working near a 100,000 volt line, you need to stay at least 14 feet away. This applies to workers, machinery, and materials. Whenever possible, coordinate with the utility company to de-energize and ground the power lines before work begins. This step removes the risk of electrical shock and makes the site safer. If de-energizing isn't an option, strict safety measures must be followed. Use a dedicated spotter when operating cranes, lifts, or tall equipment near power lines. The spotter's job is to watch closely and warn the operator if the equipment gets too close. This extra set of eyes can prevent accidents before they happen. Post warning signs and barriers around areas with overhead power lines. Bright signs and physical barriers reminded everyone to stay alert and keep a safe distance. Even if workers are focused on their tasks, these signs serve as constant reminders of the danger. Training all workers on electrical hazards is vital. Make sure everyone understands the risks and knows how to maintain safe distances. Regular safety meetings and instructions help reinforce this knowledge. When working near power lines, use insulated tools and equipment rated for electrical safety. Avoid using conductive materials unless they are properly insulated. This reduces the chance of accidental electrical contact. Inspect and ground electrical equipment regularly. Faulty or damaged tools can cause electrical shocks. Proper grounding and maintenance are simple steps that make a big difference. Finally, follow all safety standards and regulations set by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. These rules specify minimum approach distances and safe operation procedures. Staying compliant helps protect workers and keeps the project moving smoothly. By following these steps every day, construction teams can prevent hitting overhead power lines. This keeps everyone safe, avoids costly delays, and ensures a successful project. Remember, safety is a team effort and always worth the extra attention.